Gator is so rude. Gator is so rude. Gator, you're so rude. Gator, you're so rude. You're so rude, Gator. I'm gonna react to you. Every breath to go. Like air.
Let's try Time Boom. Pretty steep hill. I can do this. I failed already. I'm still rolling. I can't stop. Help me. Help me, please. Somebody.
Gone.
I saw a dang bunny rabbit. It was pretty. Stupid.
Hey man, I challenge you to a battle in the sky.
F you, Gator.
Yep. Yep. Thank you, Mr. Cow. Oh yeah, I forgot. These are air stations. Cue the awesome music. Oh crap, it fell.
All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put the fourth wall back together again.
Cue the awesome music again. Finally, we're reaching the ground. With brother, tropical bridge. Oh God. That's the way Oswald died in that one movie.
You guys want butter? Never mind, Gator doesn't deserve him. He made it and he's sad.
What the fuck is going on? Going on, going on. Why are they singing this song? I'm unhappy.
Luigi's always unhappy because I call him bad every day.
Next.
Because I'm so angry
How
about the
do I do
Minecraft.
this?
About the Minecraft, I'm so angry.
Oh great, I drowned.
I'm so angry at him. And I'm so angry that he won too. Because he calls me mean. The reason why I hate Luigi, because he calls me mean names. Because I know. And people don't tell me how to, which means what. People don't post comments, what should I react to, so I'm just gonna choose. Because no one cares anymore. To be honest, Luigi used to care, but now he doesn't.
His name was like Matt. Yeah, let's just call him Matt. Short for Matthias. Carrots. Okay. Why must I always do this?
You have to.
Oink, 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 oink. You stupid boat. It was a creeper. A creeper wandered into the road. He just exploded.
A creeper from Minecraft. I want a creeper to get close to Luigi so he can explode himself. No, stupid ads. Hello.
Hello there, racing fans. This is Stormer. This is Goliath. Today we're hosting a race between two
well, creatures, a bird and a pig. And hey, we are trying to host a race.
Well, sorry, I'm being escorted out by wildies.
Shut up, you're fat. As we were saying. Now, as we were saying, today's race is between a bird and a pig. The bird being Matilda, the white bird. Actually, he has a name, because it's a he. It should be Matilda, but his real name is Matthias. Yeah, because the fact that white bird is male. But other than that, we're also going up against Pistachio. Pig. He has a red mustache, maybe he's Irish. He has bags under his eyes, he's kind of old, he can only say one word, that being mustachio, etc. This is the final one in the air stages, but there's probably going to be someone... Hey, don't spoil it. Okay.
All the kids were
Oh, too late, he spoiled it.
put the fourth wall back together again.
Orange. Orange.
I'm so angry at Luigi. He threw a cat book in the Mario's painting where Mario did. Who did it? Oh my god. He farted, Auntie. Oh, he's farting again. There's chicken down there.
Pistachio.
The toilet. Oh, he's farting TNT too.
Look how tall woman loud. Pistachio?
Explode.
Is white bird. Massive victory. If I do that one more time, I am going to explode.
Lots of
Well, that was a pretty lame match. Yeah, Whitebird took a shortcut. Oh well. Ready?
What?
Ready. And ladies and gentlemen, our new champion of the Airway Cup is... You know, Tormo, what's that Goliath? I sure am glad that we're not getting attacked in this episode. Like in the last two.
A finger.
Oink!
She looks weird. Oh, 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 oh.
Oh no, another first party character with Mario.
That should be Mario's girlfriend. Hey, hey, Gator. Hey, Gator. The girl with the princess dress should be Mario's girlfriend.
Mustachio.
Turns out there's very much mustache in that.
Mustachio.
Boston.
Heil Hitler.
Oh, I didn't have time. I didn't have time to read. He's so fast. Ew, he picked his hair. Ew, he picked his nose hairs. Gator, you have nose hairs too. I'm not immature. You're immature because you call me mean names.
It's immature.
And you are also immature. And you're grounded for, and you're suspended from YouTube for 2 months. And you're gonna make and you're about to make a video. I don't know what it is.
Go, Mustachio! We need to go eat.
What? Quiet. Mustache. I feel like I have been here before. But he has. Should I? Nah. Oh, he's done. Oh, he's done again. Perfect safe landing. Helmet check is good bird forever. It's upside down.
Get up! What is that?
That's a princess and that's a cat. And he said,
Who the heck are you? What do you want? That's it. Roar! Garland! Garland!
he's a black cat, or is it?
I am leaving. Taste my wrath, mortals.
No, he's moving by himself.
Hey man, you see that? I see it. Yeah, I see. Look. Yep, I saw. Statue's going to win. There goes some are the bad news. Here, hop into the airship. Or the
Airship.
Come on.
I love the airship. Bad gator.
Time to sombrero. Would you like to use it?
Mustache.
This sucks. Wait.
What?
Not so slow after all. Surprised I did so well. Here's a key for the whip. However, I still think you're not fast enough. You're going to lose to Mario. It'll be all your fault.
Who is gonna race against Mario?
You got Princess Peach's card. It is good for the stunt stages.
Before I forget,
Telepods!
Alright, you got the third key. Now. Off to the stunt stages. They're my favorite. And no, we might not do Sub-Zero until the winter. There's no snow in the summer.
Obviously.
And the entire universe.
Post a comment what video should I react to. Bye bye. You have to or else I have to choose.